Outside of this one church town, there's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land, but it ain't my ground. This is God's country. We pray for rain and thank Him when it's falling, 'cause it brings a grain and a little bit of money. We put it back in the plate, I guess that's why they call it God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. We turn the dirt.
I was born and raised on a farm with my mom and dad and brother. And I guess my dad got the first combine that shelled the corn and the beans. And I was 14 when I started driving the combine. And I've been driving ever since. I really enjoy my boys being around. You know, we're a close family, and we get together all the time for birthdays and everything, and so it's really nice having my family close to me and helping me farm.
Sunrise, sitting back in the 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. Yeah.
My father passed away in 2014. He was a very good teacher. So he taught my brother and I when we graduated from college. I was older than my brother, and through the years, my father taught us how to do things, you know, such as combining or planting. And so we learned from a good teacher. He's a very successful man, and he started with nothing, zero. Like I say, I'm very fortunate to have such a nice family, and so I hope when I pass away that the boys will continue on with the farm here that we own, and continue on and go on, you know. And after them, my grandson, he's up there driving the tractor, and so I hope they continue on, you know. That would make me very happy. And Grandpa too. Well, I don't want to ever have them forget where they came from. You know, it's kind of like playing poker in Las Vegas. My dad always said, some years you do well, and some years you don't. It took a long time to try to, you know, get all this stuff paid for, and the farmland and stuff. It's been a good life, you know. we're very blessed with what we have, really.